Oops. Hi everyone, it is final exam week and I am coming to you to walk you through the process of taking the final. So as you can see here, there are two pieces to the final. The final evaluation is the short answer piece. This consists of 5 questions that are basically what you've learned in this course. Now I want to caution you that as this is worth 50% of your grade for the final, I expect for it to be done thoughtfully and completely. If you do not, you will not receive full credit. So there's 2 questions within each of the 5 questions. One is going to be, talk to me about something that is valuable, useful, or important that you learned in this class. The second is how that applies to your life. As I said, this is worth 50 points. I recommend that you treat this as an essay and complete it thoughtfully and completely. The first one can be, a little bit shorter because you're basically giving a definition and you're explaining what that concept is. And then the second one is the application. So I'm looking for thoughtful completion. I'm looking for application to your life, and that is how you will earn the credit for this assignment. So as I said, 5 questions that are the same. That is half, 50% of your final exam grade. Now, you should be thinking, oh, good, that's 50% of my grade. I know going into this 100 question, which is actually on paper, it's 100 questions, but as I added it to computer, it turned into 65, 66 questions. And it's because on the paper version, each matching question is one item. So some of the matching questions are all in one as opposed to, and it's not counting them item by item. So basically 66 questions, multiple choice, matching, true and false. You'll have 90 minutes to do this. So you can see why last week when I was talking to you about creating that study guide, that would be very useful to use. So hopefully you did that, and hopefully you have that ready when you take the final. The last thing that I do want to share with you, and I've talked about this already, so it's not new, but this is an extra credit opportunity for course feedback. Basically, what I'm looking for is what assignments that you liked, what assignments that you didn't like, what you learned from, what you didn't learn from, that sort of thing. I will take it all into consideration. I will tell you some things are required for me to have. So if you didn't like them, I apologize. It is something that's required by the Higher Learning Commission for me to have an online or a hybrid course. So some of the things will not change, but I am very willing to hear what you felt was most useful. And that is worth 10 points of extra credit that will be added to your final exam. So it's definitely worth the opportunity to do that, okay? If you have any questions about the final, I say reach out right now. I will be posting this video actually in the week prior to the final, and I will be encouraging everyone to watch it before you actually get to the week of the final so that you'll have all of this information going into the final. Again, if you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks, guys.